Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice for beginners. Today's story is about Talia, a girl who works hard to make her dream come true. So, let's start. Talia was a little girl who loved the kitchen. She was only 6 years old, but she already wanted to cook. Her grandmother, Maya, was a great cook. Maya made warm soup, fresh bread, and sweet cakes. Every time Maya cooked, Talia watched her closely. "Can I help?" Talia asked one day. "Of course," said Grandma Maya with a smile. "Come and feel the food. Cooking is not just about recipes. Cooking is love." Maya showed Talia how to wash vegetables, cut fruit, and stir the pot. Sometimes, she let Talia mix the cake batter or roll the dough for bread. The kitchen smelled so good, like cinnamon, garlic, and fresh herbs. Talia loved being there. Every weekend, Talia and Maya cooked together. They laughed, made mistakes, and tried new things. One day, the soup was too salty. Another day, the bread didn't rise. But Maya said, "Mistakes help us learn." Talia never forgot that. As Talia grew older, she wanted to learn more. But when she was 10, Maya got sick and could not cook anymore. Talia was very sad, but she wanted to keep learning, for herself, and for her grandmother. Her family didn't have money for cooking school. But Talia did not give up. She went to the library every week and borrowed cookbooks. She sat at the table and read them for hours. She learned about food from many places: Italy, India, Mexico, and more. She also found old cooking shows on TV. She watched famous chefs and wrote down their tips in a notebook. Sometimes, the video was slow or blurry, but Talia didn't care. She practiced what she saw. She burned rice. She dropped eggs. She cried when a cake didn't rise. But she kept going. "I will get better," she told herself. Every weekend, she tried a new recipe. She cooked for her parents, her brother, and even her neighbors. They tasted her food and gave her advice. "This soup needs more salt," her father said. "The cake is a little dry," her brother joked. But sometimes, they said, "Wow, this is amazing." Talia wrote down her favorite recipes in a big red notebook. She called it "My Future Restaurant." She added drawings, ideas for dishes, and even names for her dream restaurant. The name she loved most was Talia's Kitchen. Years passed. Talia worked 2 jobs, one in a small cafe, and one cleaning houses. She was tired, but she saved every penny. She still cooked at home and made her dream stronger every day. Some people laughed at her dream. "You can't open a restaurant. It's too hard. You didn't go to cooking school." But Talia didn't listen. She remembered her grandmother's words: "Feel the food. Don't give up." After many years, she finally saved enough money to rent a small, old building. It had a tiny kitchen and broken floors. But Talia saw something beautiful. "This will be my restaurant," she said. Her family helped her. Her father fixed the pipes. Her brother painted a big picture on the wall of Talia cooking. Her mother helped her clean every corner. Talia worked day and night. She made a simple menu with her best recipes: vegetable soup, chicken with rice, and her famous honey cake. Finally, Talia's kitchen opened. The first day, only a few people came. The second day, the oven broke. The third day, it rained all day and no one came at all. Talia felt worried. "Did I make a mistake?" she asked herself. "Am I ready for this?" But she remembered how many times she failed before, and how she always kept going. So she smiled and said, "This is just the beginning." She fixed the oven. She cooked with love. She gave free samples to people walking by. She talked to every customer and listened to their stories. She changed the menu a little, adding dishes people asked for. She put flowers on the tables and music in the background. Slowly, more people started to come. One woman said, "This soup tastes like my grandmother's." A man said, "The honey cake is perfect." They told their friends, and soon, Talia's kitchen was full on weekends. Children laughed. People smiled. The little restaurant was full of life, love, and good food. Talia's dream came true, not because it was easy, but because she worked hard, learned every day, and never gave up. Now, when she cooks, she still hears her grandmother's voice. Feel the food. Thanks for listening to this English listening practice. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.